Bis Industries is a supplier of underground mining equipment and site services in New South Wales and Queensland.
We provide support services to the resource industry across Australia and Indonesia. Our biggest challenge is the harsh environment that we work in. We can often be outside in the elements or underground in a coal mine. When Bis Industries were inspecting assets, we were using a paper-based system. Being paper, it could be damaged by rain, could be dropped in mud, could be lost, and that information then took time to retrieve, and sometimes we had to redo it.
The biggest pitfalls I found were loss of paperwork, not understanding handwriting, grease, oil, wind, dust, dirt, the environment.
You could lose the inspections, dirtiness, just the harsh work environment. Yeah, sometimes get covered in grease, oil, just due to the nature of the industry.
Our staff doing manual inspections on machines with paper and a camera face the issues of having to carry the clipboard round and a pen. They were ticking answers off. You would have to put the clipboard down to pick your camera up to take a photo. We used DSI's mobile application to give us a central database of information so that people didn't have to do double handling. They weren't recording it on paper, taking a manual photo. It was all done with one device in one place and sent back to a central location.
My biggest concern was change, but once using it, understanding that it was very user-friendly and very easy to learn.
Using the mobile device now has greatly improved the process. There's no loss of paperwork, all the inspections are easy to read, all the questions are answered once, you don't have to redo any questions, and it's a lot more streamlined.
Moving to a mobile device has improved my daily throughput because I can go from one remote site to another without going back to the office. Taken multiple processes out of the inspection by just having one device.
The turnaround times have improved just due to the fact that once the information's sent live, the workshop that's completing the work can see that straight away and they can pre-plan their work.
One of the driving reasons for selecting DSI was its offline ability, also the ability to customise forms and applications in-house. Our staff have grabbed hold of this really well, and every one of them used the application to the best of its ability to get the job done.